Oh my God, this one!
Yes.
Alright! That one! Amazing!
Oh.
Oh! So our next destination is Monastery daw. So yun po yung labas niya. Papasukin natin yan. Similar. Babalutan naman siya ng mga trees. No photos allowed. Masok kami doon. And bawal yung video pero may nakuha pa rin ng few clips kasi matigas yung ulo ko eh. And yes, kailangan magbalot for respect, magbalot ng head. So buti na lang may dala tayong ganito. And now, yan si birthday girl nag-selfie. Selfie pa girl! Papagalang-galang tayo for today's video. So, ayan, typical tree nila dito sa kanilang front yard. Persimmon tree. Kaka. So, after dawn, we'll try their iced coffee. Meron sila dito mga honey. Sana all may honey. We're having cold coffee. I'm back! Nandito tayo ngayon sa tinatawag nilang City of Love. O, diba? Kala nyo Paris lang yung may yung City of Love. Meron din dito sa Georgia.
The places like this, so small towns, and every region has its own municipality. So in Kakheti region, we have several municipalities, and Silmari is one of them. Main municipality. So this is their main building. So we call it municipality. We call it also the Big Ben of Silmari. It looks like, you know, in London, the Big Ben.
Big Ben.
So we call it like that. So the governors are just sitting here in the local authority. So if, and also some villages belongs to Silmari municipality. So if they have some issues, if they want to report some problems or ask help to government, they don't have to go to Tbilisi, but they will come to Silmari and they will ask help or support to local authority. So so municipality. Now we will go up and I will show you the viewpoint. We call it Wow View.
Wow, you.
Let's go.
Ano kayang meron dito? Wow! Amazing view!
Alam, gusto na ko maging anak sa
Oh.
sa papalingan. Pero ko anak sa nila guys.
Welcome to Wow View.
Nakakinig sa nila.
First name and father's name. Initiate.
We are about to go to the hidden place. Hidden place.
Paragliding.
Hello!
Paragliding is banned in Mojo.
Hidden.
What do you see? This is 5-kilometer wall around the village.
Oh my god, this one!
Yes.
Alright! That one! Amazing! Oh! So are we gonna go and walk?
Yeah, we're gonna conquer the wall. No, not till there because it will take days.
Oh my
So
goodness!
guys, yeah, this was to protect the area. So it's 5 kilometers. This is third longest wall in all European countries. Not in Asian, yeah, because in China has the biggest one. So guys, you can.
Ayan, nilalakbay po natin ngayon ang Great Hall of Georgia. Grabe, ang ganda niya. Super interesting, cultural and historical country talaga yung Georgia. Kung pwedeng bumalik dito, springtime naman. Oh my God, ayan siya. Woo! Amazing talaga, super amazing na amazing ang Georgia. So sa lahat ng lugar nila dito, hindi lang sa Tbilisi, kundi sa lahat ng municipality and everything. Place dito, super relaxing and grabe napapalibutan ng nature. Grabe, super. Ang ganda, greens, blue, and colorful flowers, trees, fruits. Oh my goodness. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Sobrang ganda.